Best 3. Anti-Aging Serum. Number 1. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night Moisturizer. Visibly fade the look of stubborn wrinkles with our fastest retinol formula available. So effective, 100% of women tested had noticeable results in just 1 week. Number 2. Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream. This cream contains hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate, aminopeptides to firm the skin, as well as niacinamide, a potent antioxidant that helps improve the appearance of enlarged pores and dullness. Number 3. Rock Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Anti-Aging Retinol Night Cream. Rock Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Night Cream visibly reduces the look of lines and deep wrinkles on your face while you sleep. This anti-aging cream, containing pure rock retinol, leaves skin feeling smooth and younger looking.